first time we are gonna experience our trekking. Right now we are a bit excited, right? We'll see afterwards how we are feeling. Today we are gonna walk about 14 kilometers. Now almost maybe only just half kilometer we have passed. Let's see you after 14 kilometer later. Hello Ittu Mama.
Hi. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് journey?
I don't know. What about you?
Nice.
Great. Hey guys, after 2 kilometer we are passing narrow way. We are making routes to reach our destination. സൈഡിൽ കൊക്കയാണ് ഗൈസ്. ഞങ്ങളതൊക്കെ തരണം ചെയ്ത് മുന്നോട്ട് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. How are you feeling after 2.5 kilometer walking?
Still fine.
Still fine? You seems so energetic. Oh my god. There was a...
നോക്കി നടക്ക് എവിടെയൊക്കെ ഒരു ലംഘലുണ്ട്.
Okay. The way of our trekking, now we are kind of a top view.
Yeah.
Showing a top view. We have more 11 kilometers left. How are you feeling?
Now it's slowly tiring.
Me too. Bye bye guys. Now we are passing through a narrow route. Here also rock and here also. Actually you should try trekking in your life at least one time. This is Kokka guys. Kokkade English endappa? Sorry guys. Wow. These are really beautiful view. Nobody is here, only me and him and our guide. This is our route.
Some
guys.
slider should be there, so we can reach fast. നിലത്ത് നോക്കി വണ്ടി ഓടിക്കൂ.
അവിടെ നിൽക്കേ. I liked this route more than the others which I have already passed.
Right is right.
Hey. Oh.
Straight.
Okay. Rain.
Oh.
Guys.
മഴയുണ്ട്.
നിങ്ങൾ പെട്ടു. സോറി നിങ്ങളല്ല, ഞങ്ങൾ പെട്ടു ഗൈസ്. Rain is started. He is our guide in front of this camera. He is running, I guess. Ah, now we are going to Talwara Valley. Is it visible the fog for you guys? It's freezing. Yes. Our resting time. Somebody is laying on the ground. Say hi. Tuma. Ituma.
Hi.
We have got some company there. Now we are passing through the bamboo jungle. Everywhere you can see bamboo trees. Sorry, it's completed. Yes. Here is so much wind, very noise also. I don't know in this video that wind noise audible or not. You can see that is fog. Everywhere is fog. Now we have almost completed 8 kilometers. Hey, we have completed our 9 kilometers successfully. We have completed 10 kilometers. We have completed 9 kilometers and snack time. Momo time. Also hot coffee. After our lunch, we have started our trekking again. The road looks so easy to walk, but it's very difficult.
One step at a time, one step at a time.
while walking you can see many different types of flowers, also different types of leaf, different types of trees. It's really an amazing experience. Our guide says that today's trekking, this is the really toughest route we are walking right now. Also you cannot see the road properly because of the fog. See? Wow. I'm breathing very heavily. Our resting time. Hi.
Hello.
Actually the video is not giving you the exact beauty of the nature. We've been walking time. We have find chota strawberries. See, many. Wow. But I'm a bit scared to taste. We plucked some strawberries. Yeah, so tiny. Another beautiful plant. ഏതാ? Another set of strawberries. Actually here you can see only small tiny one. I hope it is visible in the camera. I have plucked some of small strawberries. Yay. Okay. How is it? Delicious?
Yes.
Nice. Trekking booster. For making trekking is fun. In between we are doing some fun activities. We have got some companies in between. See guys, you cannot see the route because of the fog, but because of the trekking, see, he is feeling so warm and he is so sweating. He opened his sweaters. Now we have completed how many kilometers?
12.5.
Yeah.
Another 4 kilometers to go.
Yes.
Hopefully we will finish in 1.5 hours.
Right now the time is 3 o'clock and now it is very much cold. Here is coca. Do you know what is it called in English? If you know, write in the comment box. Another beautiful tree with a red and a green leaf. Actually our guide said that do not touch any strange flowers or leaves. Maybe that can be poisonous. are you?
Super, still going. Good.
Very good. How many kilometers left?
Two more kilometers to Kalpokri.
Yeah. In between we got rain, guys. Another another red leaf with the
brown color leaf.
another red leaf with green leaves. It's looking very cute and very tiny.
Red tree. Red പൂക്കളുള്ള മരം.
Yeah. We have completed 16 kilometer. Actually our guide said that only 14 kilometer. Anyway, now only 500 meters left, and also now a bit raining is there. See, fog also. We are headed to Kalpokri. See you from there. It's a big rock.
It's so beautiful, so elegant, looking like a wow.
Yay! Finally, we have arrived at the Kalapokri pond.
It's black pond actually.
It's a black pond. Yeah. It's so much cold wind. We are freezing. Hi, finally we have arrived our destination. How are you feeling after 18 or 17, no?
Yeah, it is tough.
Kilometers walk? It was very difficult, no? How is your leg?
Slightly pain.
Our mine too. Okay, I will show you the place. This is the place, our room for tonight, and that is the dinner, breakfast. From there we will get. Okay, bye bye. Tomorrow we have another day of trekking to
Sandakphu.
Sandakphu. Bye bye.